How do you create motion and graphics with the iPad? Let me talk about some possibilities that we have. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first, it depends on how professional you want to be with it. In case you want to just add a couple of like logos and animate them into your videos, or you have like a green screen footage and you want to just add it to your clips, in that case, you can use some video editors. I like to use CapCut, where I just import the clip into my timeline. Then I'm going to click on a plus and bring in here some new things. For example, I can bring in here a photo, which is going to be from my actual gallery. Then it's going to be appearing at the end of the timeline. So I can select it, click on overlay, so I can put it on the top of my existing clip. And the point is that I can play around with it and also animate it using the keyframes. So with the first initial keyframe, I set at the original position, which might be even out of frame. Then I'm going to make it go a little bit further, like 3 seconds or so, and then I'm going to move the photo into the frame, and you can see that it will be animated smoothly, right? So that's how you can do it. And also you can play with the keyframes and the like waves in here, so you can make sure that it follows a certain pattern and it's actually much smoother than just the regular like movement of the animation. So that's how you can do it. You can play around with it, and you can basically keyframe anything in here in CapCut. So that would be like a basic way of creating motion graphics, which most people would be able to do. However, if you want to be more professional with it, you have to get a dedicated app from the App Store. Most likely it's going to be the Align Motion, which is free to get, but there are some, like, of course, mostly paid features. And the point is that this application is much more professional, where you literally play with the angles, animations. You're going to have most likely multiple different lines of the things laying on the top of each other. So it requires a little bit of learning. There is a learning curve. So yeah, if you want to go with that route, then of course this app is going to work well for you. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.